Welcome to another episode of Active Training with Ryan. In these instructional videos, I am going to show you how to enhance your instruction using ActivInspire. This video is about how to draw and use the Shape tool. Now, the Shape tool is going to be a tool that you'll use most often when designing and creating your own presentation. On this current page that you're looking at the very top of the page up here, you'll notice a green box. This was drawn using the Shape tool. Same thing with the box that's on the left and the yellow and green box that's on the bottom. In fact, even the black box that you see without a fill color here that's circling the frame, this was also used using the tool, the Shape tool. On this page right here, everything that you see on here besides the words was used drawing the Shape tool. Every single green box that you see as a rectangle, the Shape tool is used to draw. The yellow boxes were also used with the Shape tool, and the white boxes were also used using the Shape tool. On this presentation here, you're going to see a green bar at the top of the page, a green rectangle inside each of these boxes, a white transparent rectangle, and a rectangle here in the middle. Again, all of these were also used using the Shape tool. On this page right here, you're also going to see different shapes around here. You see a box at the top, two boxes here on the side, a white box, and a black box. Again, all used using the Shape tool here. Now on this page, you're going to see different shapes around the page, all of them which were used with the Shape tool. On this one right here, very simple design, but again, there are two giant shapes on the board. A giant rectangle that is black and a giant rectangle that is light blue. On this page right here, again, a shape was drawn at the top of the board. A big white rectangle, and then you've got smaller rectangles in here, again, all used with the Shape tool. Same thing here, see if you can try and count all the shapes that you see. Let's count them. 1 at the top, 2 is the green one, 3 is this blue one, 4 is this blue one, 5 is this blue one, 6 is this white one, 8 is this white one, 9 is this white one, 10 is this blue one, 11 is this blue one, 12 is this blue one, 13 is the green one, 14 is this triangle, and 15 is this triangle. So if you counted 15 shapes, you're correct. Now let's practice using the Shape tool together. On your toolbar, you're going to see a yellow circle and a red square. Click on here to activate the Shape tool. Now once you click on this tool in the menu, a new toolbar appears on the right-hand side of your column. To click on a shape or to draw a shape, first you must select the shape that you want to draw. So I'm going to start by drawing a rectangle. Once you click on your color here that you want once you click on your Shape tool that you want, come up here to the top of the menu. These colors are going to be the fill color. So I'm going to choose, I want a yellow fill color, and I did select that I wanted a rectangle. Now on your tool palette where you see the colors used during the pen tool, these are going to be the border color. So I'm going to select a black border color. So again, I first clicked on rectangle, yellow fill color, black border color. I'm going to come over here to my screen here and I'm going to draw a shape. So to draw a shape, you click and hold your mouse, or you take your pen tool and you touch your board, you click and hold and drag it away. As you drag your mouse away, it's going to make the shape and it's going to draw the size you want. When you're done drawing, just let go of your mouse. Now, every time you click your board, it's going to continue drawing objects on your page. So to turn off the shapes from drawing, click on any tool in your toolbar, and the shape bar will turn off. To draw a different shape, again, click on your shape tool, pick a different shape that you'd like to draw. At the top of the menu, choose your color for your fill color, and then choose a different background color or your border color. And then when you're ready to draw, click and hold and drag your mouse out. But just don't forget that every time that you click your board, it's going to keep drawing shapes on your board until you tell it to stop. To stop it from drawing shapes, you simply click on a different tool in your toolbar. Now, when you're using the different shapes on your toolbar, if you click on your shape and you don't see a shape that you would like, you go to the bottom of the toolbar here, you're going to see two carrots. Click on the menu down below, and it opens up more shapes on your page. Click on your shape, and top color up here is going to be your fill color. The color in your main toolbar is going to be your border color. And to draw your shape then, you just click and hold and drag it out. Now when you're drawing shapes on your board, if you click with the select tool and you click on your objects will behave and move just like annotations. When you click on your object, you're also going to be given a row of marquee buttons. These are the same buttons that you'll see when using the marquee on annotations. The first button here is going to be the select tool. The second marquee button will rotate your object. The third one here, it will be your object edit menu. The fourth marquee button will be the transparency bar. The fifth button will group objects together if we had more than one shape drawn. I'm going to skip over these two buttons because they're buttons I don't usually use. Duplicating will cause you to have duplicated objects on your page. And then you can change the size of your object by using the marquee buttons, the marquee sizes around your page. Now let's say you've drawn a shape and you want to change its color. Go over here to your toolbar and click on your paint bucket. This will allow you to change the fill colors or the colors that you've drawn using your shape tool. So I'm going to change my shape I've already drawn to a different color. I click on my paint bucket, I click on the color I wanted to change to, and I move my icon over to the object. Now, when you are ready to change the color of your object, make sure that the drip of the paint bucket, you'll see it there on the screen, is touching the object. When you're ready, just click and it'll change the object. To get rid of the border or to do the same one, click on the border using the drip, and you see how it changes it to the same color. Just be careful though that when you're changing colors, that you don't get off the object with the drip. If the drip of the paint is off the bucket, it'll change everything on your screen. If that does happen, again, click on your undo and then change it back. Now when you're using your shape tool, you draw a shape on your screen, again, choose any shape that you want. When you click on the object here, using your select tool, you're going to be given a new marquee button. This one is called Edit Shape Point. When you click on Edit Shape Points, you may be given different options. On this particular shape, I've got 3 red boxes on the shape. When you click and hold, it gives you the ability then to manipulate and change the shape so it looks like a different type of shape with your students then. Now some shapes, when you click on and hold with the marquee, using the select tool, it'll give you again options then around the screen to change your shape. Now some shapes in the shape tool will manipulate when you click on the edit shape point here. It's going to give you a box in the middle. Again, it'll compose and decompose your shape into different features. One of my favorite ones to use is the circle tool. So I'm going to choose a circle, I'm going to choose a color, Choose a fill color and I'm going to draw my circle. Now I clicked on my select tool, I click on the object, and in the marquee I'm going to click on edit shape points. This allows you then to pull out lines on the circle. I use this then when I do speech bubbles with my students. I'll take their picture and I'll put a speech bubble of what they've said. I want you to go ahead and practice using the shape tool by yourself.